Welcome back to another episode of The Joy of Baking. If you have a Halloween party you have to go to and you don't want to just settle for those little Halloween sugar cookies, I've got a fun popcorn recipe for you. So I've already melted a stick of butter, and what you're going to do is you're going to find the pumpkin spice marshmallows. This was the last bag at the store, so make sure to double check if you kind of need that recipe by tomorrow. You just dump the whole bag in, half bag, however much pumpkin spice you want, and you're going to take your spatula and you are going to melt these. Now, while you're melting these, which actually melt rather quickly, you're going to think about, what do I want to put on my popcorn, right? You want your movie theater popcorn, butter popcorn that is, and that's what you're going to eventually douse in all the yummy goodness. You're going to need caramel, and of course your toppings, right? Candy corn, googly eyes, anything Halloween related. So we are melting our marshmallows right now, and it should go rather quickly. The butter was just bubbling, so I had to turn that down for a second. As I have this going, you can see it's already starting to melt a bit. You're going to get like a little bit of a paste, and this is your secret sauce, if you will. If you don't like pumpkin spice, because I'm not a huge fan of pumpkin spice, it's only like a hint of pumpkin spice, if you will. If you want to jazz it up and add some more, you can definitely do that as well. So our marshmallows are starting to soften up a bit, and then we're going to break out our popcorn as it does. And so you're not going to use the whole bag of popcorn. Keep that in mind. Depending on the size of your pan here, it's not going to all fit in there, and you don't want it all to kind of overflow, because that's how things get a little bit messy around here. So we are going to put our popcorn, and what you're going to do is you're going to lightly fold as it melts. So this is going to be the main staple. This is perfect for kids if they have something to go to and you're trying to think, hey, how can I jazz up, you know, their Halloween class party. This is perfect. You see how I'm just folding this in very nicely? It's really easy. Everything's kind of melting together. Not all the popcorn has to be covered either, so that's really good too. If you want more of the secret sauce, if you will, add less popcorn. If you want just a little bit to kind of go around, you add more. So we're going to add a little bit. This is about ready to go here. And what you're going to do is you're going to transfer. So everything's kind of mixed. Here we go. We're going to find our baking sheet here, and you're going to put parchment paper in just so you don't have to clean this up later. That's a little bit messy. Kind of fan everything out, if you will. And then now here's the fun part. So you can let the kids take over if you want. You're going to grab your caramel. I already kind of melted it a little bit, and you're just going to glaze it on. This is a little bit hardening up already, but you're just going to glaze that caramel on. After that, we're going to decorate it with some caramel chips. Sprinkle that around. Candy corn, we're sprinkling this around as well. I got some fun Dia de los Muertos sprinkles. We're going to add some googly eyes, and you can just jazz this up how you want. You're going to let this sit then for about 20 minutes. Find a nice festive decorative bowl, place everything in there, and you are ready to go for your Halloween party. We'll have this recipe up on KTUL.com.